you guys doing? It's your boy 8th Harmonic, and welcome to Play Smooth Piano. Today you guys are going to learn this song by Rihanna. It was a request on YouTube. I listened to it. The piano is very nice in this. You know, it's real simple, but yet it's poignant. So I decided to make a little tutorial of it. What we're going to do is we're going to start off by playing this in the right hand. It's a B, E, and a B again. So what happens is that your left hand's actually going to play a note, then your right hand will play. So your left hits a note, next three notes are B, E flat, and an E. The next thing you'll do, play a D flat, E, and an A. Then walk down A flat, G flat, E. Play it again slow. And repeat. Now this time when you play that D flat, when I walk up I'm going to play the D flat, E, then I'm going to play the A with the E. And walk down. Then proceed as usual. Now what you're going to do is play a B, G flat, E, and an A. So on the last iteration it's so putting all that together and playing it slow. Your left hand is very simple. E, B, D flat, and A. Do that 3 times. That's the third one. On the 4th time, E, E flat, and play a D. And actually, during the beginning of the song, that's actually played an octave higher. I kind of cheated. I just went on my keyboard and transposed by 12 notes. But when you first start the song, you'll start an octave higher. So it should sound like that. And after you do that 4 times, then you could drop down an octave, and you're here. And notice when you drop down an octave, when you play that D flat, E, and the A, you're playing the chord for the first 3 times, as opposed to just playing the A by itself when you're an octave higher. Or you can play it how you want, whichever way sounds best or whichever way is more comfortable for you. And also a side note, when you play the pedal, I'm holding it there, I'm still holding it. So those first 2 iterations those first two little sections, I'm holding the pedal. I'll release it here and then hold it again. I held it all through that. Then I'll release it and start it back up again. And so on. And then finally when you get to this point, I held it through that, release, then hold it there. Now that concludes the tutorial. Don't forget to stay tuned by checking out my website frequently. I'm always putting some good stuff up there. So if you guys have any questions, shoot me an email, jsmooth@playsmoothpiano.com. And until then, God bless. See you later.